Let me show you how to design this beautiful PowerPoint. Bring your picture to the slide, then duplicate it. Right-click on it and select Format Picture. In this window, add an inner shadow to it and increase the blur amount to 100%. Also, in the Artistic Effects section, choose the blur from the menu and increase it to 100%. Now cut this picture and in the Format Background window select Picture or Texture Fill, then click on Clipboard to paste the picture as background. Adjust this picture and draw a rounded rectangle and rotate it 45 degrees. Make another copy of it and adjust them like this. Add a drop shadow in these directions to the shapes and change their properties according to the video. Select both of them and fill them with the slide background fill. Add your titles to the slide, then duplicate it. Go to the first slide and drag everything to the outside and increase the size of picture a little bit. Select the second slide and add morph transition to it. Follow for more tutorials.